Hey guys, today I created this smoky eyeshadow look and I used the palette from Focallure, and this is their Impressionism Eyeshadow palette, and this has 18 eyeshadows that are all matte, and you can create lots of different looks from this palette. And yeah, let's get started. First, I'm applying concealer as my base. I'm using the Focallure Big Cover Liquid Concealer. Next, I'm setting my concealer with some Cassie Doll translucent powder. Using a blending brush, I'm taking the shade Butter as my transition shade. Then I'm taking the shade Jungle and I'm placing that all over my crease and slightly above my actual fold. I went back to that blending brush just to diffuse the harsh lines. Then I went back to the same shade and I'm just intensifying the color of my crease. I'm taking a black eyeshadow and this is called Solar Eclipse, and I'm just placing that on the outer part of my eyes just to deepen up or just to darken up the outer part of my eyes. Then for the inner part, I'm taking the shade Ash and I'm just placing that on the inner parts of my eye, and also I'm topping that over with this very old shimmery eyeshadow I have here from Etude, and I'm just topping that over. This is a very gorgeous shimmery eyeshadow, by the way. So first I'm using a flat brush so that I can emphasize it on my upper lid, and then next I'm just gonna use my pinky fingers to intensify the shimmers on my lid. On my lower lash line, I kind of just repeat the same process, only I just add a black pencil on my waterline. Creating a wing, and I'm using this eyeliner from Pink Flash. I really love this eyeliner so much. It's very black and it dries down matte. Next, I'm applying mascara on my lower lash line, and this is the Hyper Curl mascara from Maybelline, and I really love this mascara so much. For the last step is the eyelashes, and that completes the look. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, if you like this look, please give it a thumbs up, and also please subscribe to my channel. And yeah, I'll see you on my next one. Bye!